just got off the number 29 bus, and I got off at Sunset and Lawton in the outer Sunset district, and I'm gonna go try to find some little libraries and find a book to take home. As I fly home, I'm about done with the book I brought. So I love little libraries, and I have a map of about, I think, 3 or 4 within walking distance here. This is a little ways from where I'm staying, but I figured it would be a good way to spend maybe an hour, and then I'll go get something to eat. So that'll be a big outing for me in San Francisco. I'm walking uphill, and this about kills me. So I'll take you along for the ride, see how slow it is. Okay, so this is the hill that I climbed up. And it's good for me, but I'm so out of shape. And where I live is pretty much flat. So San Francisco is beautiful, has lots of views because of all the hills. And I don't know if you can see the ocean out there. It's gorgeous. Okay, off to the first little library. Okay, here we are. I found the first free little library right here. So I'm going to take a look. All right. See anything you like? The Chicken Sisters. That might be good. It looks like something that would be entertaining for the plane. Not too heavy. Hurricane Girl. That looks good too. Well, I think I'm going to take them both because I can always return them to another free little library. I'm at Lawton and 35th Avenue, and I think I'm going to walk north almost 2 blocks. I'll pass Kirkham and then almost to Judah, and there's another free little library. And then after I look at it, since I already found 2 books, and there's the ocean back there. See it? Right back there, right back there, right back there. It's beautiful. After that, I can take the N streetcar and get back to where I need to go, because these hills are really tough on me. So off we go. It is so pretty here. I love the houses, the plants and trees. It's just gorgeous. Look at this pink one with those windows. I love that. Right there, right behind this bush. Right there. It's beautiful. Spotted another little library, so we're gonna go over there and check it out. It's right across the street. It says children's library, so I probably won't find anything, and that's okay. Yep. These are all children's books, so that's great. But I love these little libraries. I think they're adorable. Okay, here's another free little library. Take a book, share a book. So I'm gonna open it up and see what we got. This looks like some good ones too. These have some nice bookmarks in them. I don't know. I think I've read some of this Emily St. John Mandel. Let's see what else she's written. Oh, Station 11. I've heard of it. I think I read one of hers. It was a little science fiction, but not bad. I don't know if it's one of these books. I don't think it was this one, The Glass Hotel. Let me see. I can usually tell. Oh, and it was very good. The Glass Hotel. I'm pretty sure that was the one I read, yes. So, I don't need to read that one. This sounds good, but I think I'm just going to take the two that I have. I'm going to look at the bookmark. Always a gift. Little free library, never for sale. So I decided not to get any books from this little library because these two are fine that I found at the first one. A couple of those sounded good, but I don't need even two, so I'm just going to take the two that I found first, and I will certainly return them to a free little library, probably at home. Okay, so there are a ton more free little libraries close by, but I have my books, so I'm going to stop, and I'm going to walk downhill to the end streetcar stop rather than uphill. It takes different muscles, but it's easier. And I don't know if you can see the ocean out there again. At the end of that street, that's the ocean. I love it. I'm gonna miss it. I go home in a few days. Look at these beautiful lilies. Look at that. So thanks for coming with me on my little free little library tour and seeing what I found. So there's my stop way down there. Here's one coming. That's going toward the ocean. And my stop is right down there, closer to where I am. Okay, I was not going to go to another free little library, but I just found one. It's at 21st and, I don't know, near Judah. I'm on Judah. Now I'm on 21st, and it's just up the street here, I believe. So let's see if we can find it. I found it. Here it is. So, take a look. I've read this. It's very good. I've read this one. Very good. I don't see anything I need. It's worth checking.